Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be showing off a small keychain fire starting kit I designed a few months ago. It's a very simple one-part print, and the 3 other components cost around $10 for the set off of eBay. The kit consists of 2 parts. The main part of the kit consists of a striker, a ferro rod, and a case that hold the 2 neatly together. It's designed to fit on a keychain, and can be used without removing the keychain, as I showed earlier. The striker element is also a good enough blade to act as a box cutter / very basic knife for tape and string, so if you don't want to carry a knife, that's a nice benefit. The second part of the kit is a container that holds fire starter. This isn't needed, you can use the main part if you're confident in your skills, but I like to have some easy fire starters to make the job a bit easier. This capsule is also a few dollars on eBay, and even with it, I haven't found my keys any more uncomfortable to carry. The fire starters I use are jute cordage dipped in candle wax. I've got enough in here for maybe 10 minutes of flame. I'll admit, this is a pretty niche tool. If you need fire frequently, it's probably better to just carry a lighter. Really, I guess this is more for someone who rarely, if ever, needs to start fire, and doesn't want to carry a lighter, like myself for example. As mentioned, I've carried this for a few months, and I'll admit I've only ever needed to use it once. But that one time I needed it, it felt so damn cool that it totally justifies carrying it. For me anyways. It was like the feeling of when someone asks if anyone has a knife, but like 10 times better. Anyways, I think it's worth carrying, but if it complements your EDC is up to you to decide. Thanks as always for watching, parts are in the description.